Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the poem Noses from Unit 2 of your Marigold textbook. This rhyme, Noses, is written by Aline Fisher. The poetess Aline Fisher was American writer, poet and playwright. In this poem, she talks about the face, the appearance of a person, and she is trying to sensitize a child and makes her feel happy with what she is or she has. Everyone has different features. They vary person to person. हमारे सबके फेस के जो फीचर्स होते हैं लाइक नोज, आईज, लिप्स सब अलग अलग होते हैं. Everybody has different features. Okay, like eyes, almond eyes, round eyes. Nose can be flat, long, short. In this poem, here one little girl is there who is describing her nose, how she feels about her nose, how it is useful. That is, she is trying to convey. यहाँ पर एक little girl अपनी nose को describe कर रही है. How she feels about her nose. She is looking her face into the mirror. Let's see what she observes. So, let's read and understand the poem. First stanza, I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows with two little holes where the breathing goes. In this stanza, the poetess says, when she looks in the mirror, she looks at her nose. वो क्या सोचती है अपने nose को देखकर जब वह मिरर में देखती है और अपने face को देखती है तो वह nose को देखती है अपनी. क्या सोचती है nose को देखकर कैसा लगता है उसे? She thinks that it is the most funniest thing on her face. Funniest, it's a superlative degree of funny. Funniest means something that makes you laugh. जैसे जिसे देखकर आपको हंसी आए, कुछ मजाकिया सा ऐसे. So she thinks that it is the funniest, most funniest thing on her face because the way it is growing. जैसे उसकी nose बढ़ रही है, उसे बहुत funniest लगता है देखकर. It grows in a very different way. Okay, stuck right out where means this nose particularly stuck in the sense it is attached to a beautiful face of a little girl. It has two holes. हमारी nose में two holes होते हैं ना, and she finds the two holes to be very strange. उसको बहुत अजीब लगते हैं कि two holes भी हैं हमारी nose में. What the holes are worked for? किस लिए होते हैं two holes हमारी nose में? They are being used to smell, to breathe means हम सांस लेते हैं इनके through, to inhale and exhale the oxygen. Generally we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. It's a must going on activity for our life. So she understands nose is very important. And at the same time, she thinks the nose is the most funniest thing on her face. Now children, I would like to ask, dear children, have you ever looked at your face in the mirror? Do you find your nose to be funny? The way the poet feels? Oh, it seems funny. How? Very good. The way it grows. Okay. Okay, children. Let's come to the second stanza. I looked in the mirror and saw in there and the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there is not much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. Again, she observes something different. What? She is again looking into the mirror. अब फिर से वे कुछ और observe करती है. क्या? The end of my chin and the start of my hair. You can observe that our nose is in between the chin and start of the hair on our head, means hairline. The nose is exactly in between these two things. आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारी जो nose है, हमारी जो hairline है और chin के बीच में होती है, एकदम middle में. Now she is comparing her nose with a handle. Generally we can see a handle on our door, our window, and even on refrigerator there is a handle. आप देख सकते हैं जनरली कि हम जो डोर होती है हमारी उस पर हैंडल होता है, विंडो पर, हमारे जो रेफ्रिजरेटर्स होते हैं घर में उन पर हैंडल होता है. तो शी फाउंड हर नोज टू बी प्लेस्ड इन द मिडल ऑफ हर फेस जस्ट लाइक अ हैंडल इज फिक्स्ड ऑन टू अ डोर. जैसे डोर पर हैंडल होता है टू ओपन और क्लोज द डोर, सेम उसी तरह से उसको लगता है जैसे हर नोज इज लुक्स लाइक अ handle. Okay children, you understand the comparison is being made between her nose and a door handle. यहाँ पे comparison किया गया है nose और door handle के बीच में. Okay, now we will come to the third stanza. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Now in this stanza she tells the child, the reader, that if she wants to giggle or shout, giggle means laugh lightly in a silly way. जब हम हल्का हल्का मस्ती करने और मस्ती के मूड में होते हैं, इस तरह से हम कुछ हंसते हैं, that is giggle. Okay, तो she tells the child, the reader, that if she wants to giggle or shout, अगर आपको चिल्लाने का मन करे, giggle करने का मन करे, and you can't find anything, और आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या करें, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? But can't find anyone, she can looks at her nose in the mirror. कहाँ देखना चाहिए? मिरर में अपनी nose को. You will find it so funny and strange the way her nose too grows out of her face that she will burst into the laughter. कि आपकी nose कैसे grow कर रही है और उसको हंसी आ जाएगी अपनी किसको देखकर? nose को. Okay. So children, all of us have different faces and features, and each face or each one of us is unique. सबका face unique है, सबके features अलग अलग होते हैं. So overall this poem tells us that nose is the most funniest thing, and at the same time it's very much important. Hope you enjoyed the poem. Now we have some difficult words here. Let's have a look. Mirror, a surface of glass which reflects an image. Okay. Funniest, something that makes you laugh. Breathing, the process of taking in air to the lungs and giving it out. ठीक है, सांस लेना, breathe in, breathe out, that is breathing. Sticking, to become fixed to something. किसी चीज पर कोई चीज फिक्स करना, that is sticking, like handle is sticking to the door. Giggle, laugh lightly in a silly way. Okay children, hope you understood difficult words and explanation of the poem. So please keep learning. Thank you children. Have a nice day.